you ask for help. Now, I never did this in this type of work. I never asked for help. It was like, what's the hardest way I can do this, And I would do chimneys by myself, and I would 3 scaffold high, and I would take my bucket, put rock in it, pull it up, tie it off to the scaffold, climb to the top, unload the bucket, go back down, lower the bucket, and put mud in it, and then pull it back up, tie the rope off, go back up, climb back up the scaffold, and unload the bucket. And it was like, what's the hardest way I can do this? I think there's a perverse pride in never asking for help. Ecclesiastes 4 and verse 9 tells us this. It says, 2 are better than 1 because they have a good reward for their labor. For if they fall, the one will lift up his fellow. But woe unto him that is alone when he falleth, for he has not another to help him up. Again, if 2 lie together, then they have heat. But how can one be warmed alone? How true it is. Okay. If one prevail against him, 2 shall withstand him, and a threefold cord is not quickly broken. Yeah, that's true. Hard to go up against 3 men or whatever, and a threefold cord is not easily broken. Okay, make it work. How to make your life work. Stop trying, here's the next one, stop trying to figure everything out. Ecclesiastes 12 and verse 12. And further by these, my son, be admonished of making many books, there is no end, and much study is a weariness of the flesh. Sometimes we just keep trying to figure things out. Why did this happen? Why did you allow this to happen to me, God? Stop. If you figured it all out, it wouldn't help you a bit. That's what Solomon is trying to say here. Even if you had all the answer, even if you figured it all out, and you can't, it wouldn't help you any. All right, is this thought that I'm thinking, is it helping me or hurting me? That's a question you want to ask yourself. Is this thought that I'm thinking right now, is it helping or hurting? Answer that question. Okay, the Bible tells us to take every thought captive. Now, one of the ways you do that is by asking the question, is this thought helping me or hurting me? Stop trying to figure everything out. Okay, next one. Allow yourself to make mistakes. Look, you making mistakes is a part of being human. Without mistakes, you cannot grow spiritually. But you don't understand. My mistakes hurt me that I've made. They're supposed to hurt you. If they didn't hurt, you wouldn't be learning, okay? The fact that it hurts, that you made a mistake, reveals that the Spirit of God is actually working in your life, okay? Romans 3 and verse 23 says, for all have sinned and come short of the glory of God. I'm not saying make a habit of making mistakes. We learn, we grow, we quit, okay, doing the stupid thing that we did before. And by all means, listen, forgive yourself for making mistakes, okay? Forgive you, okay? Yes, God forgives us, okay, but how about forgiving yourself, okay? If it's in the past, keep it in the past. Okay, how to make your life easy.
Check us out on the web at isthatreallyinthebible.com.